Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you a shortcut to find the oxidation number. Let's see the definition of oxidation number. Oxidation number is the charge assigned to an atom in a molecule or an ion. Oxidation number is the charge assigned to an atom in a molecule or ion. Now I am going to give you 6 shortcuts which will help you to find the oxidation number of an element in a compound. For elements in their elementary state. What is the meaning of elementary state, students? It is in pure form like copper, iron, sulfur or sodium. Or gases in their elementary state like hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen, fluorine, etc. It will be having 0 oxidation state. Okay? Both oxidation state and oxidation number are same. You don't have to confuse with it. What about a second shortcut? For hydrogen it is always plus 1. Remember. For hydrogen it is always plus 1. For elements in their elementary state, for gases it is 0. Then for oxygen it is always minus 2. But here we have 2 exceptions. In first case our exception is CaH2 and NaH. Here alone the hydrogen oxidation state will be minus 1. Usually hydrogen will be having plus 1, but in these 2 compounds alone minus 1. Okay? In case of oxygen we have 2 exceptions. In OF2 the oxidation state of oxygen is plus 2. In H2O2 and Na2O2 its oxidation state is minus 1. Usually minus 2. Here the exceptions are plus 2 and minus 1. We call this as peroxide, students. H2O2 we call it as peroxides. Hydrogen peroxide. Sodium peroxide. Then we'll see the 4th point. For fluorine it is always minus 1. For 1A groups, what is the meaning of 1A groups? 1A groups is nothing but the alkali metals. What about 2A? 2A is nothing but alkaline earth metals. It is plus 1. Here we have plus 2. Final point. Last but not the least point. Important point. It is the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a molecule. I'll explain you this point in detail so that you can understand it clearly. Now have a look. If you're having a compound like AB, how should we find the oxidation number? Means A plus B equal to 0. Okay? If you are having AB2, the method to find is A plus 2 times B equal to 0. This is the way. If you are having AB minus, okay, you are having a minus charge here, means A plus B equal to minus 1. You have to equate it to minus 1 because you are having a minus charge here. Here you have to equate it to 0 because you don't have any kind of charges here. Okay. Now we'll solve some examples so that you will be thorough with this concept. K2Cr2O7. First example is K2Cr2. It means O7 means potassium permanganate. Okay. Actually, this is potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7 is potassium dichromate. Now we'll solve it. Now just write 2 times K plus 2 times Cr plus 7 times oxygen is equal to, we are going to equate it to 0 because we don't have any charge here. 2 times K means, K belongs to which group, students? K belongs to first group, lithium, sodium, potassium, right? So plus 1 are ruled, right? We have 1A means plus 1. Plus 2 times, let's take this chromium. We have to find the oxidation number of chromium. So let's take this as X plus 7 times oxygen. As I said you already, oxygen oxidation state is minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 plus 2X minus 14 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, if this 14 goes here, you will get plus 14 minus 2, right? 12. 2x is equal to 12, then x is equal to 6. This is your final answer. Plus 6 is the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate. Okay? Now let's solve the example number 2. H2SO4. H2SO4 is nothing but sulfuric acid, right? Just write it first. 2 times hydrogen, you can see it, right? Plus sulfur plus 4 times oxygen equal to 0. Why 0? Because we don't have any charge over here. 2 times hydrogen is always plus 1, right? According to our rule. Minus 2 is the oxidation number of oxygen. 2 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 8 minus 2, which is equal to plus 6. So the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is plus 6. Now you are going to solve these two examples. Just click on the pass button and try it. After trying it, you can see the answer. Now I am going to reveal the answer, but don't see it, okay? This is the answer, student. If you get plus 7 as the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4, then you are just perfect in this concept. And what about H3PO4? Plus 5. What is oxidation number of phosphorus in H3PO4 means? Plus 5. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just click on the like button, and for further videos, you just subscribe my channel. You just remember these 6 points. Let me just have a quick revision over here. For elements in elementary state, 0. For hydrogen, always plus 1. For oxygen, always minus 2. But here we have 2 exceptions. Look the exceptions carefully. In examination, they may give you the exceptions also. CaH2 minus 1, NaH minus 1. For OF2, it is plus 2. For peroxides, it is not superoxides, it is peroxides. H2O2, Na2O2. Hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, minus 1, okay? For fluorine, it is always minus 1. For first group elements, plus 1. For second group elements, plus 2. And this is the main point which you have to make note of it, okay?